The era of easy money from China is dying. Shipping times have doubled, tariffs are eating your margins, and the Made in China stigma is stronger than ever. If you were building a brand today and you were solely relying on Shenzhen, you aren't building a business, you're building a trap. But there is an alternative, a manufacturing powerhouse that sits exactly 48 hours by truck from the EU and has cheaper shipping to the US East Coast than China. A place where the currency crisis is a tragedy for locals, but a gold mine for anyone holding dollars or euros. I'm talking about Turkey. But here's the catch. You cannot source from Turkey the way you source from China. If you try, you will fail. In this video, we are tearing down the entire Turkish sourcing blueprint, the hidden websites, the negotiation tactics, and the exact niches that will make you millions. Let's look at the math. This is called Geographic Arbitrage. Turkey is physically connected to Europe. If you sell in the UK, Germany, or France, you aren't waiting for a ship, you're waiting for a truck. That means you can restock your best sellers in a week, not a quarter. But the real weapon is perception. Consumer psychology data shows that buyers associate made in Turkey with European standards, textiles, organic foods, craftsmanship, while they associate made in China with mass production. This allows you to charge a premium tax on your product simply because of where it was born. And then there's the lira. While volatile, the exchange rate heavily favors foreign export. Your dollar goes significantly further in an Istanbul industrial zone than it does in a Shanghai factory today. But you have to know what to buy. Do not go to Turkey for microchips or cheap plastic gizmos. You will lose. Turkey is an artisan economy scaled up to industrial levels. Here are the 4 golden niches. Niche number 1, textiles. Turkey is the denim capital of the world. Major fashion houses manufacture here for a reason. But it's not just jeans, it's home textiles, towels, bathrobes, rugs. The minimum order quantities here are flexible. Where a Chinese factory wants 5,000 units, a Turkish factory might start with 200 high-quality units. Niche 2, furniture. A massive portion of IKEA's inventory is Turkish-made. The wood, metal, and plastic injection molding quality is superb. If you are in the home decor or Amazon home category, sourcing ceramics or modular furniture from here offers higher perceived value than the competition. Niche 3, packaging. This is the boring one that makes money. Turkey is a massive producer of cardboard, glass, and plastic packaging. Even if you manufacture the product elsewhere, sourcing your custom branding and boxes from Turkey can save you 30%. Niche 4, jewelry. The Grand Bazaar isn't just for tourists, it's the face of a massive gold and silver export industry. Custom casting molds are cheaper here, and the design aesthetic is centuries ahead of generic dropshipping items. So where do you look? Here is where 99% of beginners fail. They waste weeks digging through ancient directories that look like they were built in 1998, or they get lost zooming in on random Google Maps pins hoping for a reply. Stop doing that. There is a centralized solution that the pros are using to bypass the noise. It's called tryaladdin.com. Think of this as your digital gateway to the Turkish market without the headache. Unlike the fragmented old-school methods, Aladdin has streamlined the entire process. Whether you're looking for massive B2B wholesale orders to stock your Amazon warehouse, or you need B2C fulfillment for direct customers, they handle it. And the biggest headache, logistics, solved. They ship worldwide. You don't need to call a freight forwarder or haggle with a truck driver in Istanbul. You browse, you source, and it ships. It is the modern bridge between Turkish quality and your business.